Deposit on Binance in Australia using osko. How to deposit on Binance in Australia using osko? Now, first of all, make sure you are logged into your Binance account. Now head over to trade and click on P2P. Now after that, make sure you click on buy because you want to deposit. Now after that, make sure you select the coin or the crypto that you want to deposit. Now after that, select the currency for your country. Now for this, it will be odd, the currency of Australia. Now select the payment of to osko. Now after that, select one of these providers that accept osko. Now after that, click on buy USDT. Now as you can see, you can only place one order with the same advertiser. Because I select this one before, I can select it another time. Now after that, click on buy USDT. Now after that, make sure to read all of the instructions from this buyer to save your money. Now after that, ensure how much of your currency that you want to use to buy USDT. Now in the payment, select the osko. Now after that, you can buy USDT. So this is how to deposit on Binance in Australia using osko. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.